What's up, guys? Brian here. Just wanted to show you guys my welding skills. Just welding some exhaust pipe for the dump truck. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys. Frame straightened. Frame is all good, all straight. They even welded that little crack right there. I don't know why they welded that, but they did. Anyways, they welded the crack. That's where the crack used to be, right there. You can kind of tell. And then they put the insert in. It goes about, I want to say about 1.5 feet on each side. And it's got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bolts on the insert. So, and the insert is, what is that? 1/2 inch. So the insert's even thicker than the frame rail itself, so I think that'll be sufficient. And they pressure washed it and most of the paint came off. Anyways, awesome. So just wanted to show you guys that. Pound that like button, pound the subscribe button, comment, share this on your social media site of preference. As always, guys, we're gonna see if we can't get this exhaust put on today, and we're gonna strap some mud flaps to the back so we can get down the road a little more safely and not have to worry about the DOT as much. That way, you know, covering our bases. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys how awesome that weld looks. I'm pretty happy with it. So, anyways, yep, that's my MIG setup. I got a Pro MIG 40 Lincoln. I would like to buy one of those more expensive Miller models, you know, but I'm a cheap redneck, so I work with what I got, basically. You know what I mean? Of course you do. That's why you're watching my channel. And oh yeah, in the description I'll post if you want to donate to the channel via PayPal, you can do that. It helps out a lot, guys. 2 guys have already donated and they've been very generous, and I just want to thank them again, because that, you know, just renewed my faith in humanity. So that was pretty awesome of them. Yeah. Anyways, I got to get back to this. I am on a time limit because my wife wants to go ride bikes and stuff. She got a new stroller that attaches to the bike, so I'm on a time limit. I'm not gonna videotape everything. Sorry about that, guys. I'll just maybe shoot a few clips here and there. Later. Button, pound that subscribe button, comment, share this on your social media site of preference. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We got the 5-inch stack installed. Not 100%, we still got to put a clamp on here. It's clearing the fuel tank now by finger distance all the way around. It's not hitting back here like it was before, which is very happy for me. We still got to make one more mount though, probably, to stiffen this up just a little bit more, but other than that, it's pretty much done. Oh man, listen to that thing purr. Doesn't that sound like a kitty cat purring? It's not a kitty cat, it's a Detroit. That thing sounds so good.